Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of X Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about X Twitter and we click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.